Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roche, aka Beauty Mags. In today's video, I'll be talking about my experience on how I update my contribution to PhilHealth. So I am a volunteer or voluntary. So what are the cost, the changes, expectations? So please keep on watching. So you guys, I am a dual citizen. I moved here in the Philippines 2018 and 2019. I start paying my Philippine contribution probably sometime around April of 2019. And so 2019 until last year, like until March. With the pandemic, I stopped paying. Yearly, there's a change. The year that I started, 2019, it was only 2,400 for the year. So even though I am a dual citizen, I can pay like as a volunteer for non-working, no income, the minimum amount, which is 2,400 with a dependent. And while my husband, I cannot take him in or like be part of my coverage since he's a foreign national. So he applied on his own as a foreign national, so voluntary. Okay, so if you want me to talk about that, it will be in the next video. Anyway, so for now we'll talk about me, a Filipino dual citizen American. Okay, so I'm an American Filipino, naturalized in the US, living in the States for a number of years, over 13 years to be exact. So it's been a while moving from Cebu to the US and moving back here now. A little history on my background. So 2019, it was only like something around, it was only around like 2,400. And then the following year, they increased the premium to 300 per month. So it was only up to January to March that I paid 300 pesos. Like there is a MDR, they call it MDR, it's a member data record. I applied mine in the regional branch here in Cebu, and it's near the Golden Peak Hotel. It's right beside it. If you're gonna go there for parking will be at the hotel. Parking there is 20 pesos per 3 hours. This is my new record right here. So since I have not paid for a year, there was no penalty on my record. They just count the number of months that I haven't paid, so they trace it backward. Okay, so whatever months that I haven't paid, so it was January to March that I paid last year, so from April up to December, so because it's current year, so that portion of there I need to like pay. So the amount that I paid was 2,700 that's from April to December. So that would be 300 per month. So there is no penalty, guys. There is no penalty because of the pandemic. I was in SM city when I paid the first quarter of the year. It was 300 pesos. When they increased it, I think it was only 240 at that time, then increased to 300, I believe so. Yeah, so anyway, that was it. And so 27 was 2,000 2,000. Yeah. Wait. Because I got 4 receipts here. So mine is 3 because I need to pay April to December. So I got here 1 receipt. The next one is this year, January to March. And so January to March, I am coded how much? It's 1,200 right here. So that would be still the same, 300 pesos. I saw it on their new like premium table. It's like 350. So I guess not. If you are, maybe if you are a new member, I don't know. It doesn't really like coincide on the record there, or like the bulletin over there. I decided to just pay the whole year, the advance payment for the year, so I don't have anything to worry. So that would be for May to December. So that's 2,400. So all in all, the cost of the PhilHealth insurance here for a dual citizen, non-working, with a dependent and no income. Okay, though I am a YouTuber, my income goes to not here in the Philippines but in the US. I'm paying taxes in the US, so I'm not claiming any income here because my tax for my YouTube is in the US. For the year, like annual payment for me as a dual citizen Filipino American, non-working, no income here in the Philippines, and with a dependent, it's 3,600 pesos. That's it for the expenses. I wasn't really expecting that I could retain the amount. I was thinking that maybe there is a penalty, but I guess with the pandemic, they have to reconsider the status of everyone, and so whatever is not paid, as soon as you can have the money, then you can pay for it. I am happy with that, you know. So at least anytime now, if there's any change, or you know, simple ko lang, things can be fine using the Philippine health insurance here in the Philippines.